how to get PUK code for MTN SIM card. So all that you have to do is to just locate the call sign and then press on it. Okay, after that, come and then locate the key button just like this one and then tap it. And all that you have to do is to simply come and add this short code. Okay, so simply first start with the star, so press on the star and then come and then press on the 1 and then come and then press on the 3 times. Okay, so 1 2 3, okay, and then come and then press on the hashtag. Okay, so after pressing on it, you'll see that this is the code that you are supposed to enter. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply come down here and then come and select where you have your MTN SIM card. Okay, so mine is on slot 1. I'm going to select that one and then come and then register for the self-service. Okay, by simply putting 1 here. So after putting it there, come and press on the send. Okay, so after pressing on the send, all that you have to do is to come and then create your PIN, okay, a 4-digit number. Just put it right here and then simply come down here to where we have the send and then come and press on it. So all that you have to do is to simply come and then enter the PIN again to confirm it and then come and then press on the send after putting in the PIN. Okay, so after pressing on the send, all that you have to do is that you will see that you have successfully registered for the self-service care. So you can use the self-service care to get the PIN. Okay, that is the PUK. So simply come and then enter the code again by simply dialing on the *1333 and then you add a hashtag to it and then come and press on the call sign. Okay, so over here all that you have to do is to simply come and then select the one that is access services and then come and tap on the send. Okay, so after pressing on it, all that you have to do is to simply come and then put in the PIN that you created. Okay, that is your password. So after putting it right in here just like this one, come and then press on the send. Okay, and then over here what you are going to do is that you are going to select option 4, that is the PUK, so that we can get our PUK code. Okay, by putting in 4 and then come and press on the send. So after pressing on the send, all that you have to do is that you have to select for self because we want it for ourselves. So come and then put in 1 here and then come and press on the send. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply come and then confirm it by putting in 1 here. So select option 1, which is confirm, then come and press on the send. So when you press on it, you are going to receive this successful message saying that you have successfully requested for your PUK code. Okay, and they are going to send it to you through SMS. One thing is that if you wait and then the SMS does not come, you have to call the customer care so that they will give it to you directly. Okay, so like the video, then see you in my next video.